What should I make today? All right, we're gonna spin this and then we'll decide what we're gonna make. That was not a very good spin. We're making Dole Whip? What? That is crazy. What are the odds? All right, so as many of you know, the Disney parks are obviously closed, so you can't go there. And Disney has recently released its recipe for its very famous Dole Whip, which is actually quite simple. And I'm going to make it today. I have to say, I've never actually tried Dole Whip. It's supposed to be like super famous or something. We're gonna make it. It's 3 simple ingredients. We've got vanilla ice cream, frozen pineapples, and pineapple juice. So first, I have 3 cups of frozen pineapples. Oh, it's like all stuck in a brick. So that's happening. Okay. This is, wow. This is supposed to make 6 servings. I'm not sure what kind of servings those are, like if they're like giant or what. And I've got 6 ounces of pineapple juice. Wow. If you can hear that storm in the background, it is crazy. So the recipe from Disney calls for 2 large scoops of ice cream. Yeah, I think that's a little too big. Okay, we're gonna go with this as 1 scoop. So 1 scoop of ice cream there. That is, now I'm regretting it. I feel like I should have made it larger. So our 2nd scoop is going to be ginormous. I wanna be this guy. That's a pretty big scoop, right? Yeah, wait. You know what, this is a real large scoop. Okay, so that's 1 large scoop. Can't get it off. I'm just gonna add a little extra, just because I feel like I didn't do enough the first time. Okay, vanilla ice cream, done. And we're done. That is so easy. Now you just gotta blend it. My hand is vibrating. It feels so weird. I don't want to take it off, though I like it. Taking a poll. Do you think adding more ice cream would make it harder or softer? Like more creamy or too much? Like, that noise. Sorry that I'm modifying Disney's recipe. I mean, it probably works when they do it. I just can't do it as good as them. Let's go with 1. Nope. 2 large scoops. This is an ultra large scoop. Move the ice cream away. I'm not sure if more ice cream is helping it or what. It turned out a little liquidy and I had to put it in the freezer. Now it is out of the freezer and I'm going to try to ice it and we'll see. I hope it doesn't come out the bottom. Okay, it's gonna come out the bottom. I think it's the piping tip. Can I blame it on the piping tip?
No, you cannot.
Should I put more in here? Okay. No. Okay, I'm gonna try it. It's not like the same thickness yet. We'll fix it though. It's very good, but it's like, the pineapple is kind of overpowering. I don't know. Okay, so this has been in the freezer for a long time, and now we're gonna try to pipe it again. Now? No! Thank you. Now I have this tip. It's not like the traditional tip, but it's large and it's got striped things on the side, so we're gonna try it. It's so cold. Okay, I gotta squish this around. It's like still ice cream. Oh, it hurts my hands. I don't like it. What? Warm it up. No, never. Oh, I smell like ice. It hurts so much. Okay. Oh, I need like gloves or something. Okay. Ow, freezing hands. Okay, taking a break. Why doesn't it want to come out? Not exactly what I'm looking for. Dole Whip. This is a fail. I just broke my entire bag. The Dole Whip broke my bag. I did not break my bag. The Dole Whip broke my bag, and I'm very mad at this Dole Whip. I think it's really good, actually. Like, really good. I've never had the actual Dole Whip, but I mean, even if it doesn't taste the same, I think it tastes good. I use the same ingredients, so it should taste the same. I'm not sure though. Well, we may never be able to achieve the iconic Dole Whip swirl. I tried many times, and obviously it failed. It's just going to take a few more attempts. But either way, you have ice cream that tastes good, even if it's not in the swirl shape. Well, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you tried to make Dole Whip and how it turned out. I'll see you next time on You're Stirring It Wrong. Okay. Should I start?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna move this guy over here and get started. It's actually really big and clunky. The plastic, why? Seriously. Yes. Vanilla ice cream. Imported from the best places. I'm kidding. It's just vanilla ice cream. Thank you for baking with me, and I'll see you next time. Wait a minute. Didn't bake.